Here's the SV650 with the tank off. Tried to drain the fuel. Try to figure out why it will not run. The fuel pump's not running. So I bought a new fuel pump and I was getting ready to put it in. Figured, yeah, it'd take a couple hours. Took the gas tank off and this is what I see. Holy crap, the bike's been sitting for 4 years. I don't know what's with the coffee grounds inside the tank, but it is an utter mess. Down here, even on the gas cap, the rubber seal is disintegrating and is all gushy and messed up. Yeah, this easy swap the fuel pump and be back in business is tip of the iceberg. Oh well, I don't think I will finish this today, but that leads to planning efforts. Cleaning out the tank is not something I want to do. Okay, here's the wiring on the fuel pump for the SV. 3 wires, one is black, one in the middle I can't tell from the rust, but you can see how they're oriented there. The one in the middle goes to the fuel level sensor here. The one on the right goes to the high level sensor here. And then the black one all the way on the left there. That one stretches up to, comes along here, the coiled piece, to this connector. Okay, here's the other piece. These are like little nuts that fit on the end of these pins, and they attach at the top. They're here, slip the clip over, and it allows the screw to attach. Okay, here's my reassembly. I took the base plate off, cleaned off all the rust, lots of wire brushing. Here's the wiring. I'm reusing that connector there from the original SV, and then fuel level sensors. Fuel pump's a little bit different, but not hugely so. And then there's my wire connectors. On the right side, oops, I'm having trouble holding stick. On the right side is the blue connector there. In the center is the fuel level sensor. And then on the left is the lower level fuel sensor. That one's the high level, that one's the low level. That should be ready to go back in the bike now, in the new tank. Clean that up as best I could. Time to get it assembled, and hopefully it'll solve my fueling problem. I have put the replacement tank on and installed the fuel pump. There are the old pieces. Took about 3 hours. So it's plugged in, it's put back in place. Time to test it and listen. So the fuel pump ran. That it didn't do before. Okay, time to put some fuel in. The gas cap is not done, but we got to find out if it runs. Sucked. That nozzle I did not get in the gas tank, and fuel went everywhere. Everywhere. Well, fuel is gurgling at this point. Okay, this bike is rideable. Turn the power on. Climb on, put it in neutral, neutral, neutral. Okay, use the hands instead. There we go. Neutral.